Good afternoon. Today is Monday, the 5th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We've got practice 2.6 in math, as well as our chapter 2 test this upcoming Friday. Extra credit number 2 is also due on Friday. In the accelerated math class, we've got practice 4.1, and they also have extra credit 2, which is due Friday as well. In science, we've got, for the regular classes, we've got an EduPuzzle on Matter by Bill Nye. And for the accelerated class, they've got an EduPuzzle about atoms. Make sure that in Google Classroom, you do click Mark is done when you are finished. In social studies, you are doing an assignment called Citizen of My Home. This is the action plan about you being a good citizen at your home. In language arts, we've got a Google form of fragments, run-ons, and rambling sentences. Make sure you use the examples from the worksheets that we had earlier today. And in literature, your AR goal is due this Friday. You need to keep reading and taking AR tests. There's only 4 days left to meet our goal. All right, and then for FCS 6, you need to finish your SketchUp house off of Mrs. Music's drawing. That's going to be it for this evening. Everyone take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.